To keep a hotel clean, we require cleaning equipment, and one of the manual equipment is brush. Brushes are used to remove dry or wet or ingrained dust and dirt from different types of surfaces. Based on the type of surfaces and uses, there are dozens of brushes available in the market. Choosing a right brush according to the area and surface makes our work easy. Now let's talk about the basic parts of brush. This thread-like structure you can notice is called bristles. These can be made of plants, synthetics, horsehair, polypropylene and other forms of light metals also. The choice of bristles depend on the final purpose or the use of brush. Now these bristles are inserted into a base that we call headstock. It may be of wood, metal or plastic. A brush quality depends on its sturdy stock. Now this headstock is attached with a handle for making a good grip and extend the reach of the brush. It can be of wood, metal or plastic. This handle might be detachable or non-detachable. In non-detachable handle or fixed handle, it is fixed with headstock and you can't replace it, like you can see in the picture. While in detachable, you have the advantage of replacing the handle. Note: some brushes also comes without handle. For example, at home we use cloth scrubber. Based on the bristles, we have soft brushes and hard brushes. And some also include third type called scrubbing brushes. Soft brushes have fairly soft and flexible bristles. Bristles are set close together, which makes it a good choice for removal of loose soil and litter on hard, smooth surfaces. On the contrary, for removal of heavy soil and litters from carpets and cleaning of rough surfaces, we can use hard brushes. It has fairly stiff bristles as compared to soft brushes. Bristles are also well spread out. Now what if there are stains on the surface or the surface is heavily ingrained with dirt? Ingrained mean dirt or stains which are deeply embedded and difficult to remove. That's where scrubbing brushes are helpful. These brushes have short and coarse bristles. In housekeeping, these are largely used for removing stubborn and heavily soiled areas, specifically from small areas which are difficult for floor scrubbing machine to access or reach. We also have long-handled scrubbing brushes such as deck scrubber, or also called T-scrubber, which is used for cleaning deck areas or large areas. These were three types of brushes based on bristles. Now we also divide different types of brushes based on their functions. It's not possible to include all types, but I tried my best to cover all types of brushes used in housekeeping. Toilet brush that are used for cleaning WC. There is also a type of mop that is used to clean WC and we call it Johnny mop. Remember, it is included in mops, not in brushes. Bottle brush. As the name suggests, for cleaning bottles with narrow opening. It can also be used in cleaning overflow vents in wash basins and tubs. Sink brush. Similar to bottle brush, we have sink brush which are largely used in kitchen areas for cleaning basins. It also comes in wire for releasing sink outlets. Cloth scrubber. Normally you find it in every house, which is used to scrub clothes. Feather brush. To clean sensitive areas such as television, lampshades, etc. Flue brush. It is used for cleaning chimneys. Carpet brush. For cleaning carpet, we often use carpet brush as a substitute of vacuum cleaner. Upholstery brush. for cleaning upholstery such as sofas, chair padding, etc. Hearth brush. The word hearth means a brick, stone or concrete area in front of a fireplace. We see fireplaces in cold areas which is used to keep the house warm. So to sweep up ashes etc. from the fireplace we use hearth brush. Deck scrubber. To scrub the deck. Deck is a floor or platform area extended from a building or ship. Generally it's a roofless platform connecting a house. Grout brush. To clear heavy dirt and grime between tiles. Grout is a dense fluid which we use to fill gaps such as between tiles. Cobweb brush. The cobweb brush is used for removal of cobweb from high ceiling. Well, these were some of the types of brushes that we use in housekeeping. Care and cleaning of brushes. Tap the brushes gently on hard surface to loosen dust and debris after cleaning. Avoid regular or frequent washing of brushes, specifically soft bristle brushes, as they lose their stiffness. Also, if you are washing, then clean off all threads and fluff before washing. Washing should be done by beating the head up and down, with bristles facing downward so that the water splashes between tufts. Keep an eye on the base of your brush. Make sure that no grime or grease remains lodged where the bristles meet the handle. After washing, then rinse in warm and mild soapy water. Also, there is a tip for you. Final rinse can be done in cold saline water, which helps the bristles regain their stiffness. For brushes such as toilet brush, you can add disinfectant in the water while rinsing. After rinsing, shake off excess water and leave the brushes to dry in such a way that the remaining water drip off the side of the brush. Don't leave wet brushes resting on their stalk because water may rot the stalk in time. Also, never leave a brush resting on its bristles, whether wet or dry. Otherwise, bristles may bend or splay out. Now, how to store it? Never put wet or damp brushes in store. Try to dry brushes in sun or open air before storing. The best way of storing brushes is to hang the brushes with bristles downward. One more thing that you can do to extend the life of a brush is to apply lacquer to the stalk and handle. Lacquer is a kind of wood finish. Well guys, that was all about brushes. This was my first video in the series of housekeeping cleaning equipments. Soon I will be uploading more videos, so stay tuned on Hospitality Broadcast.